So I'll be basically showing you how to install IIS. We basically have to go to control panel, and then you can go to uninstall the program, and then in the top left you'll see turn Windows features on and off. You have to click that. You'll see these checkbox. In the checkbox you have to select IIS, Internet Information Services, and then click OK. And then it will take some time, obviously, because so I had initially installed it. To show this, I am going to install it again, and you will be able to see. So this is going to take some time. You'll have to wait for that. Let's see. Yeah, it's showing this entire thing has been loaded. Now it will take some time because it needs to make some changes to the system. So we'll have to wait all that while, and while we wait, let me tell you another thing. There's going to be another code. My first web, this code in HTML, and we'll have to copy it. Either you take it from some other computer, or in this case I got it from the person who taught me how to do this. He copied it in my system, and I'm hence using it. So I already have it in one of my folders. I'll show it to you. My first web RTC. You'll be able to see it then. But for now we need to see how long it takes before it loads. Yes, we'll have to wait a little longer because it said several minutes, and it is taking several minutes. Let's see. Okay, so now it has loaded, and now we are going to go and try it out. For that I'm going to go to IIS, Internet Information Services. You can search it and you can directly go there. Once it opens, there are already some default codes which are present there. We are going to remove them. You can see the default document there, and I'm going to pick up one at a time and remove each of these 5, and then I'm going to paste the code which I want to see. Yeah, you can just randomly select all and delete them, remove them one at a time. And you'll see that I do copy one code which I'm going to finally need, which I would want to see in my local, which I would be using. Yeah, you'll see. Now I'm going to go to the place where this thing is already loaded. It's in the local C drive. You have to go to that inetpub folder, and then the www root. Here you can see my first web RTC. That you have to copy, and you have to paste it here. Are you understanding? I hope you're understanding. So my first web RTC here, I right clicked and copied it, and now I'm going to take it there and I'm going to paste it, add it. Right click and add, or you can just go there and add, and you have to write that entire name. And the name here is my first, capital F, that exactly same name I've kept, my first web RTC dot HTML. So because HTML obviously. So yeah, I missed out a T there. Yes, okay, never mind, that won't really matter, I guess. So I'm going to go to the browser. You can use whatever browser you're using, you can go to that, and then you have to write in the address bar double asterisk localhost, and then you are going to see the webcam. Now your computer will be acting like a local server. Hi there.